This is not a funded account. We're just trading evaluation account, so calm down, okay? This is just a an eval, okay? Evaluation account, so calm your tits. Anyways, market is open. We are now 30 minutes into it, so looking to see what kind of structure we're going to be getting. Moving on from here. Interested, I'm interested to see if we're going to keep going higher. Are we really just going to keep on like in a bullish move? We are above a pivot point. If you're looking at the pivot point, I think if we close below this 800, this pivot point here, I think the market goes down. So we're going to be interested to see what happens. Very interesting day. Do we just fall on bullish move today? So what I'm doing, I'm kind of keeping myself distracted too because there's nothing happening here. So I'm not gonna just. There's nothing happening. Why would I trade? Nothing's happening. Let's break below 800s, close below that. And I think the bears come through if they can break 800. Or maybe the bulls want to test the highs again. Because we are in an uptrend. This is the pullback. So, bull flag, right? Hold, shebang. This is a setup for me too that I normally would take. But I don't know. It's just I just don't feel it. What would that look like? Of course, my mouse is spazzing out. Lovely, right? Then again, if nothing else happens for the rest of the day, I'm fine with just taking $20 on this valuation account, logging a day, whatever. Better than just losing the money that I spent on it. There we go. Will the Bulls have the strength to push it back up? VWAP is way down at 21,720. And we are in a, this is an area that the market has been rejecting off of. Let's just look at the hourly chart here. Pretty ugly there, but this is what I'm talking about. So we rejected it once, twice, a little fake above, and now we're coming up here. Would this be resistance? Let's take a look at the daily chart. Daily chart is bullish. Will the market end on a cream note? Or are we gonna just volley on down today? Is that what's gonna happen? Click on the wrong button. If you guys wondering, it was pouring this morning. I tell you what. But it was just raining here like super bad. So if I go in and out, it's probably why. Start crawling back up. Bull's gonna have enough strength to push it. 5-minute chart is pushing back up. ES is also trying to push back up, but not getting much movement. And I think if we break below this level, like I said, if we close below this, the bears are taking back control. So the bulls definitely don't want to lose that 800 level. They want to keep it up. If they want to keep this going up, we have a pivot point up at the 22,000. That's a big move. I don't think that's going to happen today. We're selling out. I think the bulls are losing their strength. See if the market wants to come back up. 42. I'd like to take this for short to the back to the lows down here. Market is just kind of dying out of the volume. There's no juice. There's no juice. There's no beat. All right. Just gonna play a very tight stop loss. 50 points. 50 ticks. Not points. Calm down, people. Okay. They're gonna take this scalp here. Perfect. Good scalp. I like that. 200 bucks there. One. So way too early there. Closed out. Obviously, the market's starting to dump now, but it's fine. Let's see if we can get the other bears going to close this below 800s. Because if it closes below 800, we're going to be back under this pivot point on the 15-minute chart here. If we close below this pivot point, I think we shoot back down. We could. It doesn't have to happen. As always, none of what I'm saying is financial advice. Do not copy any of my trades. This stream is just for entertainment purposes only. Just so you know. And if you're wondering, is this guy really wearing a pink shirt? Yes. I paid for it and it's comfortable. And it was a little bit redder at the time that I got it, but you know what? It's a dang comfortable shirt. There we go. This is the, I think, the line in the sand. Let's draw it out. The bulls need to hold this level if they want to go back up. I'm just thinking out loud here, not financial advice. So if the bulls can hold this, I think they rally on back up. But I'm just not sold on the theory that we're gonna keep going up only. We've just been going up, up, and up. It's like I'm not too fond of it right now, to be honest. Just don't believe in it. Because if it was gonna go up, I think this is just me thinking out loud. This level should have held that support. So like 840-ish, 835. But no, we just broke straight down. So we haven't broken structure yet to the upside though. We are still in an uptrend. The most important thing right now is I think the bulls are really just trying to hold this 800 level. It's a whole number, a whole level. So if they can hold it, then they're probably looking to take it up to 900. But if they don't hold it, we're coming down here to 750s. I mean, if they lose this level, it's just on down, or we just chop here in between this level for the rest of the day. You know, that could be what happens. There we go. Bulls are sticking to their guns. Been doing some research and trying to see how this. A lot of people have been playing this 15-minute range, first 15 minute. So we haven't broken above it yet. So the highs are above 64, but it's a big range. It's a little bit out of my taste. Yes, this is ugly. I know. Gotta get the best of me. But let's see, first 15 minute. So the top of the range 64, which is obviously new highs, and the low is going to be down here, basically at 770. Like I said, I think the bulls. This is going to be the breakout. They need a breakout now. The bulls need to take control here, and they need to just rally on to new highs. But let's look. ES is not looking to do that as well, so I think that the bulls are still not in control yet. Again, it's still a fight between the two. Could get another short opportunity here because ES is coming down a little bit. It's not making new highs, so it leads me to believe that we could get another short to the downside. Let me go ahead and just remove my drawings so you guys don't have to see it. I think I missed that. Not much movement. Here we go. I don't know about this. Break above 45. The bulls come in. Or it could just be a liquidity grab. ES is at the bottom and Nasdaq is hanging up. So in the range, ES is up here. I mean, sorry, ES is down here and Nasdaq is up here. So still see a discrepancy between the two. And this webcam sucks though, dude. It's so blurry, and I might have to get a better camera here. Not getting much movement. I need to get some music back on my stream. I deleted it on accident, so you just you're just hearing me today. Hearing me and blank nothingness. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Is this where the bulls take over? Sorry guys, nothing's happening, so I don't know what to do. 5 minute chart, we're giving it up. Will the bears have enough strength to come through and break this below 800? We're really just stalling out now, which this is annoying. Pretty aggravating that we're not getting any movement. Getting tighter and tighter. I do want to show you guys something interesting though. Let's look here on the 15-minute chart. What the heck was this? Just green? Does that mean that there's a gap down there? Ugh. ES is starting to make its move. What the heck is happening? I hate it when the market does this. Here we go. Bears are coming in. Are the bulls going to hold this 800 level? It's not enough juice. It's really like the market for this week has just been like first maybe 45 minutes of market open, we get volatility. After that, it's just dip. It's been annoying. You guys are wondering why he's on his phone because there's nothing happening. So I don't want to just stare at the screen and be like, be so zoned in. I feel like I stare at it enough. Again, we are holding that level. The Bears want to break through. They want to break it here soon. I would imagine 9:30 breakdown. I think they might want to test the highs one more time before they go lower. Points to the upside. I think the Bears are they're tired of getting screwed in the rear end, trying to come through. This pivot point's holding. ES is bouncing off. What do I have it as? Is that the 21 EMA? ES is holding the 21 EMA as a support here. There you go. Bears are making a move. I wonder if there's liquidity sitting right here, where they just want to go tag it in, like some squeeze in some of the traders. We're holding it. I think I like it. Since we're not going to break down, I'd like this to see us retest the highs again. Play out this bull flag. And my stop loss is just right under 800, so this is about a perfect as entry as I can get. And I don't get filled. Lovely. Oh, I think I might get filled here. There we go. See if we can attack the highs again from here. Since we're holding this level, we're not breaking down. I think the bulls might want to come through and try to push it up again. We're going to take probably quick scalps if we can get some violent moves to the upside. Although I do want to be done trading here pretty shortly because it is a Friday, so I am up 200. I might just take whatever I can get, to be honest. Seeing ES push down, not a fan of that. Whoa. Of course, the bears are coming through now. A good trade though. I still like it just because we were holding up. So we broke below 800. So I was talking about it, and I should just of my theory, but here we go. We broke below. I think the bears have taken control again. There we go. There's the volatility that we were looking for. But with that being said, I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm down 20. I really don't want to push this anymore. Being down 20 is better than being down $1,000. So we're gonna call it. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my Friday. You guys still trading? Best of luck. Be smart, and we'll see you.